Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit videos in Canva in 2025. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. On the home page, use the search bar and type in video. You'll see different templates for YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, TikToks, and more. Select the one that fits your project, or start with a blank video canvas. Once inside the editor, you can upload your own video clips by clicking Uploads on the left-hand side, or choose stock videos directly from Canva's built-in library. Drag and drop your video clips onto the timeline at the bottom. From here, you can trim your clips by dragging the edges, rearrange the order, or even split clips if needed. To make your video stand out, use Canva's editing tools. You can add text, transitions, music, voiceovers, and effects. You'll find these options right on the side panel. For example, add animated text for titles, or drop in background music from Canva's free audio library. If you want smoother edits, try applying transitions between clips. Just click the little square between two clips and choose from Fade, Slide, or other effects. Once your video is finished, click the Download button in the top right corner, select your preferred format, usually MP4, and Canva will process your video for you, and that's it. You've just edited a video in Canva 2025 quickly and easily, all online. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials.